Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Crypto GPT update right now. So Crypto GPT has been gaining a lot of attention out there because of the airdrop, $1,000 airdrop that is coming in. And now this is not going to be a video about that, but it's going to be more focused on the technical analysis. But I personally don't think I'm going to be trading Crypto GPT at the moment. It's similar to Chat GPT out there, but for the crypto we have the Crypto GPT. Now I was talking about, even I uploaded a shorts previously on the channel, that you do have this pattern here, and this is known as an ascending triangle. And as far as I'm concerned right now, you're actually making the break to the upside, and it pretty much even seems that if you do dive into maybe the 15 minutes time frame, then you're potentially making even a very good successful retest. So if you look at that retest, made a fake out, came up, came down, and you're pretty much trying to break above it. But keep in mind that you also have one resistance coming up right on this area. Okay, this is a resistance nonetheless, and it can be rejected to go down again here. Now, why am I not going to trade it? The reason is the following. I am very cautious about one thing. Now, before I talk about that thing, we're going to go to Google very quickly, and right over here I potentially need to write an ascending triangle. So here we go. We go to the ascending triangle right over there. I have the images, and if you check the ascending triangle, they look like this, and they are meant to be bullish. Okay, so that's one thing. But unfortunately, what we do have is a bearish divergence. So if I do show you a bearish divergence right now, this is how the bearish divergence will probably be looking like. And I think the best image right now could potentially be just trying to find the perfect match for you, but I don't see the perfect match right over there somewhere. I did see an image, but anyways, I'm just going to show you on the chart how they look like. So if I do bring in the RSI, so right down on your screen you have the RSI, and up over here you have the pretty much your chart pattern. So unfortunately, if you look at the RSI, you're moving down. Okay, the selling, the momentum is moving down. That's what the RSI indicates. So the RSI is falling down, the power is being lost. But if you look at the chart pattern, you're making moves to the upside, you're making higher highs to the upside, and you're making lower lows on the RSI. So that's not a very good sign to me, even though there could be there could be chances of making that move to the upside or something like that. You try to move up, that's a very different scenario. But it is what it is. If you do end up going up, if they do actually decide to break the ascending triangle, then we could be looking at a technical target to go from there to there, and we're talking about a 40% setup of this ascending triangle. And we could be even looking at this should be your technical target to 0.079. That's where you're meant to really go. But I still don't see this going up there due to that big divergence as well. That can actually cause trouble. And if you do end up making this as a fake out and you try to come down, then you're potentially looking for a breakdown. And this is where I'm expecting, actually, unfortunately, even though this might sound not so good for you if you're trading, but that's what I could expect to see. The price is falling down towards too. And that's pretty much it for this update on Crypto GPT, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.